Hello PropStat class. In this video I'm going to go over how to use Microsoft OneNote and Excel on a web browser even if you don't have those desktop programs on your computer. Now if you don't have access to a computer, the school is providing Chromebooks to students, so they sent home an email with more details on how to get one of those. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to office.com, like I've done here, and if you have not gone to office.com before on this computer, you should see a screen similar to this. So we're going to want to sign in, which you can press the button right here in the middle of the screen, or click on the little person in the top right, either way. And your username is the same one that we've been using in school, so it's your school email, but without the my part. So for me, that looks like this. Yours will be a little different. When given the option, you want to select this is a work or school account, and then you want to go ahead and enter in your password, which is your last name with a capital first letter, followed by your student ID number. And you can choose to stay signed in or not. It's up to you. Now once you're signed in, you'll get to a page that looks something like this. And you'll notice you probably have access to a lot more programs than just OneNote and Excel, but those are the two big ones that we will be using. So the first thing you're going to want to do here is open up Microsoft OneNote. And yours will not be as cluttered looking as mine because I have a bunch of classes on this. But for you, you want to find our ProbStat 1A notebook, which will probably be under Class Notebooks. So you can go ahead and click on that, and then go find ProbStat 1A. And this might take a minute or so to load if it's your first time using OneNote on this computer. But eventually it should load, and it looks pretty similar to what we use in class on the tablets. Now, you are going to want to go to your personal folder for this, but I'm going to be doing it in the content library because that's where my version is. But again, you want to go to your personal folder. And if you go in to your folder and then go to Assessments, you should see a new assessment in there called Sample Online Assignment. And the instructions here are just to kind of get us used to using Excel and then linking Excel spreadsheets into our OneNote notebook. So the first thing we want to do is open up Excel Online and make a new spreadsheet. So if you go to this little menu up here, this is all of the different Microsoft stuff you have access to online. Excel is one of the options, and that will open up a new tab. And from here we can open up a new blank workbook. Got two there by accident. Now the next instruction we're given is to name the spreadsheet with our last name and then sample. So my last name is Steady, so I'll put Steady Sample, but you should put your last name instead. And then once you've done that, you'll want to go ahead and put just whatever into the spreadsheet here to kind of make sure stuff is saving okay. So I'm just going to type in some numbers. And you'll notice it keeps saying saved up here. That's because the online version automatically saves, so you don't have to ever go file save on the online version. Now once we're here, the next step we're told to do is to get a sharing link for this spreadsheet and paste it into this assignment. That way the spreadsheet is linked into your OneNote notebook and you can always jump right back into it. So up in the top right here, we have the share button. And you'll just want to leave the settings as they are on default, which is that anyone with this link can edit the spreadsheet. And you don't have to enter an email address or anything, just click copy link right here. And it should say link copied. You can come over to your assignment, click down on the blank space here, and paste that link in. So either right click, paste, or Control V. and then hit enter, and now it's a link that you can click on to get back to that spreadsheet whenever you need to. So I'll just kind of demonstrate. If I close out both of these and then click on that link, it'll open that spreadsheet right back up for me, and there's the 1, 2, 3 that I typed in earlier. So that's all we want to try to do for this assignment, is just get used to using Microsoft Excel online and OneNote online.